Welcome to another video by Natural Health.
Home remedies for common cold. General cough and cold, or common colds, are viral infections mostly impacting a person's nose and throat area. These spread easily and quickly through air or airborne respiratory droplets, such as through coughs or sneezes. They can also spread by touching the contaminated area, or by skin-to-skin contact such as through handshakes, etc. The typical symptoms for common cold are cough, runny nose, occasional fever, sore throat, headache, rhinitis, weakness, etc. A common cold is generally harmless, and with care, most people recover on their own within a week to 2 weeks. Home remedies are age-old, tried and tested methods and recipes, or an alternative medication, prepared in a traditional method, with items readily available at homes. These medications do not need professional supervision and yet are known to be effective. These recipes have been passed on through generations over centuries. Therefore, these are also popularly known as grandma's recipes. In this video, Natural Health will show you some of these popular home remedies and the correct way to use them. These remedies would not only aid to lower the symptoms for general cough and cold, but will also help in providing relief, and help in shortening its duration. Method 1. Boil 10 holy basil leaves, and 5 black peppercorns in water, add some jaggery and rock salt. Drink it lukewarm to hot for at least 3 times a day. This drink is very effective against the common cold. Method 2. Take 5 figs and boil them with 1½ jugs of water. Remove the figs and filter the water and keep it aside to cool. Heat the water when needed and drink it at least twice a day. Drink it hot or lukewarm, preferably in the morning and in the evening. Method 3. Mix ghee, which is clarified butter, dry ginger powder, turmeric, jaggery, mix into equal amounts, roll into nail-sized balls. Eat 2 of these nail-sized balls as the first thing in the morning and the last thing before going to the bed at night. Method 4. Steam inhalation. Hot water steam inhalation opens the congested noses. It can be done by people of any age. Doing this twice a day provides relief from common cold. This is one of the most widely used home remedies to soothe and open the nasal passages and get relief from the symptoms of common cold. Method 5. The holy basil has vitamin C, antioxidants, antiseptic and antiviral properties. Chewing 3 to 4 leaves of holy basil is good for your general well-being. However, boiling 8 to 10 holy basil leaves with water and preparing tea with the boiled water, and drinking it at least 2 to 3 times a day, works really well during common cold. Method 6. Turmeric is very effective during common cold. Heat ½ cup of cow's milk and add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, stir and mix it well. This will aid in giving relief against the common cold. You could also add 1/4 teaspoon of honey if you have a cough too. Method 7. Ginger and honey. Boil some ginger in a saucepan with a cup of water, strain it after it is boiled, stir a teaspoon of honey and drink it like you would drink tea. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. You can also add lemon to this drink. Method 8. Lemon, cinnamon and honey. This syrup effectively cures common cold. In ½ spoon of honey, add a few drops of lemon and a pinch of cinnamon. Have this syrup twice a day to help cure common cold and cough. Method 9. Gargle with lukewarm salt water. This is an age-old therapy that effectively treats cough and cold. Gargling with lukewarm salt water helps to clear the throat. Some people also add turmeric, which has antibacterial properties and helps in healing sore throat. Method 10. Honey and lukewarm water. Adding honey to lukewarm water is one of the easiest solutions that helps in giving relief from common cold. Drink 2 to 3 glasses of honey and lukewarm water a day. Method 11. Massage your chest with mustard oil. Heat 5 to 10 tablespoons of mustard oil and massage it to your chest before going to bed. Don't heat it to burning hot, and after massaging make sure the chest area is not open. This helps the body to relax and also helps clear the congestion in your chest. Method 12. A drink made from decoction method. This is probably the most effective method during common cold, and has been used in many Asian countries for centuries, especially in countries like India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, and is called kada in most local languages. This is a typical example of grandma's recipe. Boil 1½ cups of water, add 4 cloves, add some cinnamon, add 1 teaspoon carom seeds, add 2 cardamoms, add 10 to 15 black pepper, add 5 to 7 holy basil leaves, add some ginger, and add jaggery. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the water is reduced to half. While it is simmering, add some black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, let it cool down to lukewarm, strain it and drink it. Now you know some home remedies that could help you during common cold. Hope you liked the video. Leave us feedback in the comment below. Thank you for watching, take care, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.